Hello children. Recalling the format of the invitation, uh, we'll now frame an invitation now, a formal invitation. So one question we'll see. Hope you have just gone through the format which was given, or the rules to remember, the points to remember, some easy tips. So we'll solve one here. Your school is holding its annual function on 30th of August 2020 at 6 p.m. and you have to draft an invitation on behalf of the principal of your school in sending out an invitation to the society or to the people, to the important persons. You can also mention uh, the chief guest who is to be invited there, maybe the collector of your district. So here we'll go through. As it was mentioned, we'll start with the name of the host. So who is the host here? And we'll also remember that will follow the center head. The principal and the staff. The principal and the staff of, you can have your own ideas while writing down, okay, of maybe the name of your own school or some other school you can mention, okay, because the name of the school is not mentioned here, it's not given, only your school it's written. So here we'll write down. Singroli, request your benign presence, okay, request your, we can also use different fonts while writing down. It's not compulsory to write down there in the running handwriting. Actually, we shouldn't write down. Different fonts should be used. Request your benign presence uh, on the occasion of or on the auspicious occasion, we could mention auspicious occasion of the annual function. Maybe we can darken this thing because this is the main occasion, the annual function then now what is left over, the annual function at, okay, the time time given is 6 p.m. at 6 p.m. on, we can also write on different, but here it will become so lengthy, so we can both these things, both this information we could write on the same line. On 30th, here also we could write down either as 30th August or with in the other form, 30th August. Here if you don't write down the year also it's okay. Then the name of the collector, okay, we'll mention here Shri. Here again, here we could darken it, no, we can just or with the different fonts we could write down. Here this freedom we could use. Okay, similarly here also. Then here the name of the collector will mention Shri uh, Rajiv Ranjan Meena. Okay, the name of the collector here, the real name will write down, we could write down. Here itself will write down IAS. Shri Rajiv Ranjan Meena, IAS, has given his consent or will preside over the function. Anything we could write down. The language could be, we could manipulate with the language. Has consented to give away uh, prizes to our maybe school toppers. Here you could change the language also. In place of has consented to give away, is will honor the school toppers by giving them the prizes, or even the shorter version we could write down there. Now here, as we talked about, here it comes RSVP. Fine. And then who is the host here? Principal. Just one phone number we could write down, 94728. Then we could put a cross. It's fine. Because already when we have mentioned the address here, the name of the school, the place and all, so no need to mention it again here. Now the thing is that very neatly with the help of a ruler, you can take the help of a ruler and then just make a box. Fine. Without making a box, it won't be complete. Just to see that the box is finely made. The different fonts, and one more thing, that first if you make these three lines, no, it will be easier for you to make out the center head, that is the center part, and easily your invitation will go centrally, center of the page. Fine. And only after finishing, after concluding, you could draw the last line, and this is how the box will get completed. Now if we just try to just attempt one more simple one. Okay, here maybe a common one, that is draft an invitation on behalf of maybe Mrs. and Mr. or Mr. and Mrs. Gupta. Okay, for on the what occasion, maybe the on the birthday celebration of their only daughter. Fine. So that way we could see if, so here who is the host. Again here we'll try like we'll make the line first. I'm here drawing it with simply free hand. You please use a ruler, because using a ruler gives neatness to the write-up. Then Mrs. and Mr. we talked about something, one name, Mrs. and Mr. Gupta. Okay, Mrs. and Mr. Gupta request request your or request the pleasure of your company. Okay, we'll mention that way. Request the pleasure of your company. Here I couldn't mention company also here on the same page. So pleasure of your company. Then we'll write down the purpose. Okay. On the special occasion or on the auspicious occasion. On the auspicious occasion of the birthday. Okay, birthday of their, third person we are using, on the birthday of their only daughter. Only daughter. On the birthday of their only daughter, any one name we could write down. Okay. Fine. Then here after that comes the address. Here we could darken this word because the birthday of, here even the birthday also we could darken. No such compulsory thing is there, but the only thing is that we have to highlight in certain things. Fine. We can use different fonts in order to highlight it. Then birthday of the only daughter, Ria. Maybe the place can be a hotel, restaurant, or their house itself, residence itself, at their residence. Now if you are mentioning residence, you can write down the address right here itself. Okay, like quarter number SHF 135. Okay, then maybe NCL colony. Fine. Then Singrauli, if I write down, it will go project to the other end, towards one side it will deflect. So I'll mention here Singrauli at the center. Now time I haven't mentioned. So the important thing, at 4, at 6, or here we could mention as 8 also, it's okay. At 8 p.m. at 8 p.m. on, here also we'll take it as 30th August. Now different way, August 30. No need to mention the year also. It's not, that is not compulsory. Then again we'll mention here the final, the most important thing, that is RSVP, the name of the host. Okay, RSVP, Mrs. and Mr. Gupta. Again one phone number, 91734261. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so again we'll just extend these two lines and then we'll close it in order to complete this invitation. So hope some more questions you can, or you can easily solve, you can easily draft invitations, especially the formal invitations. Thank you.